Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make nachos plate easy method. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees F and prepare a rimmed baking sheet with parchment or foil. Start with a single layer of sturdy chips, sprinkle even cheese coverage, and add sparse toppings before baking. After melting, add fresh toppings and a squeeze of lime for brightness. This approach keeps chips crisp and flavors balanced for easy serving. Gather ingredients: 10 to 12 ounces shredded cheese, a bag of sturdy tortilla chips, and toppings like cooked meat, pico de gallo, jalapenos, and crema. Grate cheese so it melts quickly and evenly across chips. Cook and drain any meats to avoid greasy, soggy nachos. Chop fresh toppings beforehand and keep them chilled until after baking. This prep speeds assembly and keeps textures bright when serving. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for durable comfort while you cook. I wear them when I'm on my feet making messy nachos, and they hold up great. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Start assembly with a single chip layer, overlapping slightly to cover gaps, but avoid thick stacks. Sprinkle shredded cheese evenly so every chip gets coverage, then add sparing pre-baked toppings like cooked meat. Bake at 400 degrees F for 6 to 10 minutes until cheese bubbles and edges turn golden. Remove and immediately add fresh toppings like pico, avocado, and crema. Serve hot on a large platter for sharing and enjoy crisp, melty nachos together.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.